Government Chief Whip Denis Hamson Obua wants more money injected on presidential skilling hubs while presiding over the pass-out of 487 youths who have been trained on various skills at the Zonal Presidential Skilling Hub located at Lira University. Obua said that he will invite the director of Presidential Skilling Hubs to NRM caucus meeting to give report. Obua said this will also give opportunity to members to advise on how to provide additional support to this presidential initiative.
So we need to support this initiative. So the Presidential Zonal Hub leadership, please, the day you hear there is NRM Parliamentary Caucus retreat in Chamkwanzi, Engineer Raymond, please, the next thing is give me a call, such that you are on the program. These are things that we must be discussing as caucus. On the standard gauge railway, His Excellency the President has stated in clear terms that he wants to train UPDF to build the standard gauge railway through the engineering brigade. That means, in order for you to access, you must join like going to heaven.
The State House Comptroller Jane Bareche asked members of Parliament and top government officials to support the idea of recruiting some of the young people who have acquired skills through the skilling hubs to work on standard gauge railway project. Bareche also suggested that some of these young people be enrolled in Chigumba Petroleum Institute to acquire skills to work on the oil pipeline construction. She said government will construct in 2 districts per region workshops where these skilled youths who are not yet employed can go and continue making their own products and sell them.
Our Chief Whip and our guests of honor, another intervention I want you to join hands with your colleagues in Parliament and help us with is recruiting these youth, the welders and the builders. They can work on the standard gauge railway. Instead of bringing people from I don't know wherever, these people are here equipped with skills. The 4th intervention, chief guest, is if we could get a slot at Chigumba Petroleum Training Institute and we upskill our youth. These ones have acquired level 1. We can upskill some to prepare them for the pipeline. That can also be an option to employ them so that they can get a living from their skill. Chief Whip, as State House and the President, we have a plan of these youth after training. And the plan we have is that we wanted to put up a common user facility in at least 2 districts of a region. These are big workshops that have a display side, that have a workshop behind, where these youth can go into their different skills and do work and display to the market, and they are sold on a rotational basis. Because there are many, we can't put them there all together.
All the workshops were visited and the products inspected before the pass-out event was held.
Sasa You also sell that the unit. You sell? Oh, no.
No, the trousers, the pants.
Is this inside?
Yeah, this one.
This is inside.
So it's a suit. Yeah, it's a suit. And you can make at your own, like a small work place. Yes, you can do it. See? How old are you? 19. Oh, 19. That's very wonderful. Which class did you finish? So have you finished it?
Okay.
Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. Let's go to another place. become a different person, to go back in different person. Like my name is what is it? Beauty section. Yeah.
Keep trying. Yes, keep trying. Open by my she's well, do we done 5,000?
This one is 5,000. This one is 15.
Huh?
This one is 15.
This is the piece.
For Lao News Channel, I'm Denis Ongora, Lira City.